exercise 14. So again, we're going to practice. So here we have she is the subject, then verb and object. So she will always go before the verb. She's is she is. It has the verb part of the noun. Well, the pronoun. Okay? Her can go at the beginning or end, but it must have a noun. Her boyfriend is cute. It must have a noun. Hers, possessive, has subject, verb, object. Hers. It will come after the verb. So let's look for the verb and we will know what to use. I have a sister. Blank name is Diane. So we have a verb and we have a noun. Which one has a noun? So it would be her name is Diane. Next sentence, blank an interesting person. Does it have a verb? This right here is not acting as a verb, an interesting person. So this is actually describing the person. So this is an adjective, an interesting person. What kind of person? Interesting. But it's not the verb. So this one does not have a verb. Which one has a verb? That one. So it's going to be she's an interesting person. Also, that helps me understand when it's not a verb is usually at the beginning of a verb, we don't use things like this, like an article. So, like if we use the verb walk or walking, I would not say she walking, she the walking. No. So if they're using it here and they're using an article, it's probably not the verb. Even though you see ing, it's not the verb. Because we will not use an article in front of a verb. When it's used like this, it's going to be something else. It's a verb, but in this part of the sentence, it's the adjective. It tells you what kind because it says an article. So just remember, verbs do not have articles. Verbs do not have an, the, or a in front. If it uses one, then it's not the verb in the sentence. So let's erase this. Our next sentence, I call on the phone once a week. This is the verb. So it's not this one, I call she, because this is the subject. This has subject and verb, but this has to be after, right? To use her, we need a noun. Is this a noun? It's a preposition, right? There's no noun. This is a preposition. So I call, well, actually, it wouldn't be hers. I'd call her on the phone because they're really talking about the phone. This whole thing would be the noun. This is the noun, phone, but it comes together. Preposition, article, noun. It's one group. So I call her on the phone. So it would be her. This will be the noun. Okay, try the rest on your own and check on Canvas.